In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan in Monday.com, whether you're seeking additional features, improved functionality, or just ready to expand your team's capabilities. Upgrading your plan is a seamless process, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to access your Monday.com account. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary administrative rights to change the plan. If you're not the account admin, you might want to coordinate with the person who manages your subscription. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your dashboard. There you'll find your profile icon. It should be a round circle-shaped icon, possibly with your initials or profile picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu that gives you quick access to various account settings and options. Within this drop-down menu, scan for the option labeled Upgrade. This option is typically easy to spot as it contrasts with the other settings. When you click on Upgrade, you'll be directed to a new page designed specifically for upgrading your plan. On this page, you'll find a variety of plan options offered by Monday.com. Each option comes with its own set of features, pricing, and user capacity. It's important to take a moment here and review these details. Make sure the plan you're considering aligns with your team's needs and your anticipated growth. Take into account factors like the number of users you have and any special features you might require to streamline your workflow. After you've decided which plan suits you best, select it by clicking on the corresponding option. This will typically prompt you to confirm your choice and proceed to the payment page. If you're transitioning to a plan with more significant capabilities or a higher tier, the pricing might also be reflected in this step. Once you've reached the payment page, carefully input your payment details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any interruptions in service. Most plans are billed on a monthly or annual basis, and you can usually select your preference. If you're considering long-term savings, an annual plan is often more cost-effective. Finally, once your payment details are all set, confirm your upgrade. You'll likely receive a confirmation email, and the changes should reflect immediately or within a few minutes. Be sure to check your email and verify that you've received the appropriate confirmation for your records. Upgrading your plan in Monday.com is that simple. With these enhanced features, you can now take your productivity and project management efforts to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.